Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 9, money. So what do you understand by money? Money is the medium of exchange. It is something that people use to buy goods and services. All the countries have their own currencies. For example, the currency of United States is dollar. The currency of Britain is pound. Likewise, the currency of our India is rupee. So let's understand the concept of money in our today's class. Let's start. Something such as coins or banknotes used as a way to pay for goods and services and to pay people for their work is called money. Money is the medium of exchange. We use money for buying goods. जब भी हम किसी से कोई चीज़ खरीदते हैं तो उसके बदले में हम उसे मनी देते हैं. In India, the unit of money is rupee. We use P to write pice, R to write rupee, and RS to write rupees. Also, we use a dot to separate the rupees and the पैसे. That means rupees और पैसे को अलग अलग शो करने के लिए हम बीच में एक डॉट लगा देते हैं. तो डॉट के पहले वाला नंबर रुपीस और डॉट के बाद वाला जो अमाउंट है वो पैसे कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we express rupees 60 and 50 pice in figures as Rs 60.50. Our Indian government has introduced the symbol for denoting rupees as this symbol. This is the symbol of rupees. So, Rs 60.50 is written as with this symbol as 60 rupees 60 and 50 pice. And remember one thing, that paise is always written in 2 digits. Now see our Indian money. Now this is 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin, 1 rupee note, 2 rupees note, 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500 rupees note, and 2000 rupees note. Now, denominations of rupees. 1 2000 rupees note is equal to 4 500 rupees note. 500 plus 500, 1000, 1000 plus 500, 1500, and 1500 plus 500 is equal to 2000. So, 1 2000 rupees note is equal to 4 500 rupees note. Now, 1 500 rupees note is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500 rupees note. 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 100, 300, 300 plus 100, 400, and 400 plus 100 is equal to 500. Now, 100 rupees note is equal to 250 rupees note. 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. Now 150 rupees note is equal to 220 rupees note. 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. And 110 rupees note. 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. And 40 plus 10 rupees is equal to 50 rupees note. So 150 rupees note is equal to 220 rupees note and 110 rupees note. Now, relationship between rupees and pice. As we know, 1 rupee is equal to 100 pice, and we can say 100 pice is equal to 1 rupee. We can make 1 rupee by using different coins. So, 2 50 pice coins make 1 rupee. 50 plus 50 is equal to 100 pice, and 100 pice is equal to 1 rupees. Now, 425 pice coins make 1 rupees. 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 25 is equal to 75. 75 plus 25 is equal to 100 pice. And 100 pice is equal to 1 rupees. Now, 5 20 pice coin make 1 rupees. 20 plus 20 40 plus 20 60 plus 20 80 and plus 20 100. And 100 pice is equal to 1 rupees. Now, coins of 1 pice, 2 pice, 5 pice, 10 pice and 20 pice are not in circulation anymore. That means आज के टाइम में 1 पाइस 2 पाइस 5 पाइस 10 पाइस और 20 पाइस के कॉइन्स अभी सर्कुलेशन में नहीं हैं. ये पहले चलते थे बट अब ये सर्कुलेशन में नहीं हैं. Hope you understand about our Indian currencies and the concept of money very well. Thank you.